Cut! Kate, Richard E. Grant's on the phone.
Hello?
Kate, darling, I need your help.
Richard, darling, how are you?
Yeah, I've got a long list of people I need to give gifts to. Yeah, my thespian friends, my daughter, the fake Richard. Can you help me?
Richard, darling. You can't go wrong.
Well, what do you suggest I give them?
Oh, Richard, everybody loves a gift from Charlotte Tilbury.
Kate, you are a marvel. Now, tell me, is it true that Cleopatra, Charlotte Tilbury, and Henry VIII, Shakespeare, George Clooney?
We're all wearing it, darling.
It is true.
Kate, rolling camera.
Kate?